Hello all. Every year we proudly announce Ethics Essay Governance Program. And this year also we are coming up with our Ethics Essay Governance Program, which is going to start from December 12th. So how this Ethics Essay Program is going to be, that I am going to explain in this particular session. This Ethics plus Essay complete module, with this Ethics and Essay we are going to provide you the governance freely, which will be helpful for your 2023, 2024 and 2025 attempts. And the batch is going to start from 12th December 2022. So the batch timings also we had from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So online and offline accessibility is there, 1 year validity is there, 1 year recorded videos will be provided to you. Free governance classes. The governance classes will be free, and this is our contact number in order to enroll into our course. So what are the features, sir? I am going to explain you the features of our ethics, essay and governance module. Number one, UPSC competent ethics classes we are going to provide. Number one, what UPSC standard want? The UPSC standard, the Delhi, more than the Delhi standard ethics classes we are going to provide here. How I will explain. Number two, we not only conduct theoretical classes. Last year we conducted role play, which is there in our YouTube channel. VISHNU IAS Academy just entered VISHNU IAS Academy ethics role play. You will get the role play. Watch how we did the role play, so that it will be helpful for our student to understand the real problem of ethical dilemma. So we also do theoretical as well as practical classes in the classroom itself. Number three, the ethics will be taught by me with bureaucratic examples, with real-time bureaucratic examples, and with practical stories like Mahabharata, how we have to take the examples in real-time format. I will be explaining you the classes, so that the class will become very interactive and very interesting as well. Essay classes will be conducted by the VISHNU IAS team. A complete team of 4 members will be teaching the essay classes. And the governance will be provided free of cost with ethics and governance. And most important, ethics 4 tests, essay 3 tests, governance 2 tests we are going to provide you. So overall 9 tests you are going to write in this particular program. High rated classroom notes in PDF format, in a very good PDF format we are going to provide you. The classrooms will be in online as well as offline. The recorded videos of this particular program will be provided in 1 year. 1 year validity will be there. So how the lectures will be there? What is the curriculum of the lecture? Like this, we already made the schedule. So lecture 1, in lecture 1, we will be discussing about it. I will be discussing about ethics terminology with example. Lecture 2, ethics terminology with example, 1.5 hours. Lecture 3, ethical dilemmas and terminologies. Lecture 4, essence of ethics in human actions. In this way, what is required for the preparation of ethics? Why? Because you cannot compromise ethics topic. You cannot compromise with respect to ethics. So in this way, if you clearly notice, here, so ethics essence. Lecture 5, in lecture 5 I am going to discuss about great personalities and their contribution. In lecture 6 I am going to discuss about great personalities and their contribution. In one day I cannot complete it. Then lecture 7, world personalities and their contribution. In lecture 8, world personalities and their like Abraham Lincoln, Martin Luther King, what they told with respect to ethics. Then Indian philosophers. What are the Indian philosophies? Who are the Indian philosophers? Indian philosophers. Then civil services values. What are the civil services values? Like neutrality, anonymity, rationality. Civil services values. 2 classes I will be taking. Values of public administration. Values of public administration. And the 15th will be test 1. You will be having concepts from lecture 1 to lecture 14. What are all we completed from lecture 1 to lecture 14? You will be having the test 1. Then we will be going for lecture 15, ethical concerns and dilemmas in government and private institutions, ethics in administration, ethics in public and private, aptitude and foundational values, ethics in international relations, ethics issues in relation to social issues, ethics issues in relation to social issues, corporate governance kya hota hai? What is corporate governance? Emotional intelligence, concept of public service, philosophical basis of governance, role of family and society in building ethics, and attitude and accumulation or accommodation. Then it is spelling accommodation. It is corruption related in accountability, attitude and accountability, corruption related acts. Right to information and citizen charters. So again test 2. From lecture number 15 to 30th, what are all there? Again you will be having number 2. And in test number 31, ethical dilemma issues, ethical terminologies, ARC recommendations will be discussed. ARC recommendations will be discussed. ARC recommendations will be discussed in detail. 3 classes I am going to use for it. Then case study 1, case study 2, case study 3, case study 4, case study 5, and National Commission for Review for the working of the Commission, corruption related committees, judicial judgments on ethical and unethical practices. In this way, 43 lectures overall, you are going to have nearly 70 to 80 hours, mostly 75 hours of ethics classes, the best classes you will be getting at our place. And essay, it is continued with essay. So 2-3 tests will be there, and final test on case studies will be there. Then we will be going with essay. In essay lecture 1, insights and writing best essay, discussion on philosophical essay. No one will take the philosophical essay, but our first essay is going to be the philosophical essay, then discussion on philosophical essay, discussion on 2 philosophical essays, discussion on 2 philosophical essays, and we will give you homework, and we will be also evaluating on daily basis. Daily we will give 1 essay, and you have to write and you have to submit us, and daily one essay we will be giving as homework. You have to write and you have to send, and we will be doing the evaluation also of your essays. Remember this. And test 1 of the essays, of all the philosophical essays, we will be conducting the test. Then you will be having essay on rights issues, social problems issues, science and technology essays, contemporary essays, international relations essays, 2 second class, live essay writing practice, live essay writing practice will be happening. The ranker also will be associated with this particular program. In that way, we will be delivering your essay classes as well. After that, we will be providing you the governance also. The governance is free of cost. Governance, good governance, pressure groups, all government policies, NGOs, self-help groups, e-governance, rights issues, role of civil service in democracy, role of foreign aid in development, all the governance related issues also will be discussed in this particular program. So this governance, this ethics, and our essay program is going to be the best program. So I hope everyone will enroll. If you have any queries, you can call us at our number 9400-939, or you can mail us at contact@vishnuias.com or visu1437@gmail.com, and our website is www.vishnuias.com. and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. God bless you. Jai Hind.